Good morning, it's Thursday phonics today, so same as every other day, let's warm up with some of these flashcards. Hope you're ready. This one. E, 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 good. Ch, 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 good. Oi, oi, oi. Ooh, 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 ooh. Shh, shh, shh. Ow, ow, ow. R, R, R. Can't remember the sign language for that one. And we know other ers, don't we? There are two more ers. I are or you are. Lots of ways you can make that sound. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's get on with our sound for today, which is the, well, 4 different sounds actually. Different sounds made with the same letters, the same grapheme. So the letters are O and U. We've been looking at it all week. If I put some words up here, can you decode them? So the first one, let's do this one first. What's that word? You're right, out. So the first sound we can make with that is ow, 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 out. Okay, let's do another one, shall we? Let's do soup. No, who said soup? It's soup. Soup. So we can make an ow and we can make an ooh. Let's do another one. Oh, I've written the whole thing. It's fine. You know that goes on the line, don't you? Should. No. Should. Nearly. Should. Should. So ow, ooh, and Then I said there's one more, didn't I? Can I remember what it is? Can you remember what it is? It's the one we did yesterday. So mould? No. Mould? No. Mould. It's not any of them. It's mould. Mould. Remember, like on the mouldy cheese. So your first spelling word, are you ready? Pick up your pencil. Your first spelling word will be mouldy. Got a big old clue on here, so it shouldn't take you too long. Sound buttons go M-O-L-D-E. Think about that E on the end. Pause here if you need to and come and check it. Welcome back. Mouldy. For mummy. O with the O-U. L-D. E? What E did you go for? Look, it's only a single letter sound. So E with the Y. Mouldy. Mouldy. Brill. Let's do another one, shall we? Let's do could. I'm going to put it over here. Give you a clue. Could. Pause it if you need to and come back and check with me. Okay, welcome back. Could. You notice I put it underneath should because actually that's the same, isn't it? And that's the same as well. D. And it starts with a K. Could. Should, could. And the other one in the trio was would, wasn't it? Should, could, would. All the same ending. Let's do one more. About. Sound buttons go but out. But out. But out. Off you go. Pause if you need to. Welcome back. About starts with a. Ab, out. Ab-ow with the O-U. Ab-ow. About. About. Okay. Well done. Hopefully you got all them. If you didn't, don't worry, just have a practice. You get better the more you do it. I'm going to just write some words down now for you to spell. Okay, they've all got the O-U. It might be a different sound, so remember those sounds. Another one. You can pause the recording in a minute and take as long as you need to decode these words. Look for all the sounds that you know. and then come back when you're ready to do them together, okay? Right, are you ready? So, first one, out, shout, shout. Next one, look, it's all of this. Wood, wood. Not the wood you chop up and put on the fire. Would you like some cake? Yes, please. Next one, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, you. And last one, bolder, boulder. Big old boulders and rocks in the garden. Okay. Pencils at the ready again. Let's do a spelling countdown. So the word, first word anyway, we're going to do 4 of them. First word is should. Ready? Ready to pause? Well, 3, 2, 1, write it down. Pause if you need to and come back and check. It's should, should. Well done. Let's do another one, shall we? It's type of fish, this one. Yummy fish. It's trout, trout. So have a look at the word. Have a look. Trout. I'm going to count back. You can pause it if you need to write the word when it's covered up, and then come back and check you've got your spelling. 3, 2, 1, your turn. There you go. Trout, trout, trout. Yummy, yummy. Next one. Group. Group. You've been working in groups with me and Mrs. Heath this week, and it's been brilliant. So have a good look at these words. Well, this one particularly. Group. I'm going to cover it up in 3, 2, 1. Off you go. Your turn. Did you get it right? I'm sure you did. Group. One more. And we've seen this one already today. Mould. 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 Ew, there is mould on my bread. I'm not eating that sandwich. Ew. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Your turn. Well done. Mould. So that is the different sounds again. Should, trout, group, mould. Ow, ooh, oh. Ow, ooh, oh. It's quite fun to say that. Ow, ooh, oh. All the sounds with the O and U. Your turn now. Can you write the sentence? So pause it for as long as you need. Your challenge is, could I have some soup? Okay? Could I have some soup? Pause now, come back, and then I'll write it for you. Okay. Right. Important one this, if you fancy soup for dinner. Could. Capital letter at the start. Could. The O-U-L-D pattern. Could. I, capital I, because it always is, capital I, wherever it is, if it's about you. Could I have, tricky spelling, because it's not split digraph with the capital A, it's just a sight word. Could I have, no room there, I'm going to come down here. Some, which is again a tricky spelling, one of your year 1 words that you have to learn. Could I have, look at my finger spaces, they're nice, aren't they? Could I have some, finger space again, soup. Could I have some soup? What goes on the end? Full stop? No, because this is a question, isn't it? So on the end of a question, she, ha. She, ha. It's a question mark. Could I have some soup? Maybe you could ask your mummies and daddies that when it gets to lunchtime. Could I have some soup? You could write them a letter to ask if you could have some soup. I'm sure they'll say yes if you spell it correctly and put your question mark on the end. That's if they have soup and if you even like soup. But that is probably more than enough of me for today. And that's the end of Thursday phonics. So come back tomorrow and we'll do our Friday phonics. And then it's the end of the week. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.